Good morning everyone. Probability statistics part 2 in which chapter number 1, most important chapter. Up to this we have studied the examples or numericals based on addition rule of the probability. Today we are going to see examples or numericals based on conditional probability. In our textbook statistics part 2, see on page number 47, 1.4, example number 3. Read the example, try to understand the example and then solve it. Right? Let A be the event that customer visiting on the petrol pump, visit to fill the petrol in the vehicle, and B be the event, visit to fill the air in the vehicle. Right? Now the given that customer comes to the petrol pump and fill the petrol, probability 80% chance, 80 upon 100. And B, that he fill the air in his vehicle, 60%, 60 upon 100. And the probability that he comes for both petrol and air is 50%. Probability of A intersection B, 50 upon 100. What is the required probability? Number 1, it is known that he comes to, if the customer comes for to fill the petrol, means it is known that probability of A is known that, then what is the probability that he fill the air in his vehicle, means probability of B given A is required. In the next event, probability B, it is known that if he comes for to fill air in his vehicle, then what is the probability that he comes for to fill the petrol in his vehicle, means probability of A given B. This is read as probability of B given A, this is probability of A given B, question mark. Now, the formula for calculating conditional probability. Probability of B given A, probability of A intersection B upon probability of A. Now substitute the value 50 upon 100, right? And probability of A 80 upon 100. Denominator 100 cancel, 50 by 80, ultimately the answer will be pi by 8. Answer number 1. Similarly, probability of A given B, it is known that he comes for to fill air in his vehicle, then what is the probability that he comes for to fill petrol in the vehicle? Means probability of A given that B, not read as A upon B, but A given B is required. Probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Probability of A intersection B is known to us 50 upon 100, and probability B 60 upon 100. 100 cancel, 50 upon 60 means 0 cut, 5 by 6. Answer number 2. See, this is conditional probability, and keep the textbook with you. Keep the textbook and read the example, see the numericals twice, and then see the solution. See, example based upon addition rule of probability, example based on conditional probability, various example. This is technical chapter, science based chapter. Now another example, one more example from exercise 1.4 on page number 48, 1.4, question example number 4. These are the examples based on textbook. So you must keep textbook with you. Read the sum, read the example, read the question. Try to follow, try to understand, and then see the solution. This example can be asked for 3 to 4 marks. Section C, section D, section E means 2, 3, 4 marks. Whatever may be given. A and B. Let the customer in the bank, the customer visits, and A be the event that he is having means saving account, and B be the event that current account. The customer of the bank, let A be the event that he hold the saving account, all this is event A, and B holding the current account, event B. A and B be the event. What is given to us? The probability that 80% of the customers in the bank having the saving account means P of A 80 by 100, See, 50% of the customer having their current account means probability of B, and probability that the customer having at least one of the two type of account means probability of A union B, 90 upon 100. At least one means A union B, 90 by 100. Then what is the required probability? It is known that if the customer is having, it is known that customer is having current account, then find the probability that, what is the probability that he is having or the customer hold the saving account also in the bank. Means probability of A given B is required. Probability of A given B. See, try to follow what is given and what is required. It is much more important. Here A given B is required. If you write B given A, then it will be wrong. Right? Probability of A union B by using addition rule, P of A plus P of B minus P of intersection B. With the help of this rule, we can find out probability of intersection B. P of A union B 90%, means 90 by 100. P of A 80 by 100. P of B 50 by 100. Minus P of A intersection B. This become positive on left hand side. 80 plus 50, 130 upon 100. Minus 90 upon 100 means 40 by 100. Probability of A intersection B 40 by 100. Right? Probability A intersection B 40 by 100. Therefore, probability of A given B, probability of A given B is required. Probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Probability of intersection B is 40 by 100 upon probability of B 50 by 100. 100 cut, 40 upon 50. Therefore, 4 by 5 is the required answer. Probability of A given that B, this is conditional probability. Probability of B is known. Then what is the chance of occurring A? Means probability of A given B is 4 by 5. Now, the next example on page number 48, 1.4, question number 6. This is board example. Out of 5 exam, at least 3 times asked in the example in the previous exam, board exam. Given that probability of event M equal to probability of event F equal to 1/2, 1 upon 2. Means P of M is equal to 1 upon 2 and P of F is also 1 upon 2. Moreover, it is given that P of A given M 1 by 10, P of A given F is 1 upon 2. Then what is required probability? Probability of intersection M, probability of intersection F. Now, the formula for computing conditional probabilities. Probability of A given M, intersection of these two events, probability of intersection M upon probability of M. Right? Therefore, probability of intersection M is given by multiplication of these two quantities. Probability of intersection M is P of A given M into Pm. A given M means 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 2. Answer will be 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20 means 0.05. You can write 1 upon 20 also. You can write 1 upon 20 also. Similarly, probability of A given F is equal to P of A intersection F upon P of F. Means probability of intersection F is P of A given F into probability of F. Means 1 upon 2 into P of A given F. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 means 1 by 4. Ultimately the answer will be 0.25. Therefore, probability of intersection F is 0.25. Call this as answer number 2. You can write 1 upon 4 also. You can write 1 upon 4 also. See, these are the examples based on conditional probability and addition rule of the probability. Conditional probability, most important method in this chapter. You must practice textbook or example from exercise, from illustration twice, minimum 2 times. Then and then proper grip or idea or technique or method is clear to you. Thank you everybody. See you.